one-to-one functions. This is a little spin on a regular function, okay? To have a one-to-one function, what's going to happen is every x value corresponds to only one y value, all right? And we already know what this is. This means one-to-one. It means it is a function, but here's the important part. Not only is it a function, all right, so this purple part here says we have a function, but we also have every y value corresponds to only one x. So now not only can x only be paired with one y, but only one y can be paired with only one x, okay? So if we have two different x values and it's one-to-one, then what's going to happen is that if you evaluate one value of x, so you plug in x and you get a y out, then if it's one-to-one, it will not be the same thing when you evaluate the other value of x. Okay, so it's one-to-one when the relation and its inverse are both functions. All right, so determining one-to-one functions is pretty simple. You can have a whole bunch of stuff. You can have a table, a set of ordered pairs, a map, a graph. All right, and what you're looking for is you're determining whether it's a function. So x can be paired with only one y, but then you're going to take a look at the y's now and make sure it's only paired with one x. For the graph, we're going to be doing the vertical or the horizontal line test. So not only does it have to pass the vertical line test, but now it has to pass the horizontal line test. So we come over here to this first one, and we have 8, 9, 10, 13. Do we have any different values of x here, our input? No. So is this a function?
Yes.
Yes, right away it's a function. It doesn't matter what it goes to, because if we have 4 different numbers, as long as they're only being paired once, then we know that this is going to be a function. So this is a function. But the next question is it one-to-one? And that means the other way. So we have -1, -3, and 5, so we have 3 different numbers. That's good. But what do you see about -1?
It's shared 8 and 10.
It's paired with 8 and 10, and therefore it is not one-to-one. So that is a no there. Okay, how about for b? Is b a function? Yes, we have 2, 1, and 0, so right away we know it's a function. Is it one-to-one? Yes, we have -3, -4, -5. We have all 3 different values of y, so we're good there. How about for c? Is it a function? Yes, -2, 1, 0. All the x's are different. Is it one-to-one? No, why not? Okay, so 4 is paired with -2 and 1, so it's not one-to-one. And then over here we should probably state -1 is paired with 10 and 8. Okay. For D, is this a function?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Do the line.
It passes the vertical line test. All right. Is this function one-to-one? No. Why not? It does not pass what? The horizontal line test. All right. E, is it a function?
Yes.
Yes. Why? It touches only once for the vertical line test. How about one-to-one?
Yes.
Yes. All right. It passes the horizontal line test. Okay. You do want to be careful for the quiz. You will be asked not only if something is a function in one-to-one, but you will also be required to describe why. So you need to understand why. You're more than welcome for the graphs to use the vertical line test, horizontal line test, but for the data sets, you need to talk about, how often it is or is not paired. Okay, so be ready for that.